everyone, happy Vlogmas Day 12. So I made a gingerbread house in this lovely video, and I have to say I really like this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So since it is raining out and my shoot got canceled because you can't have rain on the shoot, I was like, you know what? Let's have no life together, and because we all know internet kids don't have lives. Let's just be real. Let's do a gingerbread house. And I just dropped it. By the way, I just ate my life away with the most amazing burger in the whole entire world. So I'm quite tired and full, but we're gonna go through this. Let's do this. Let's go. It's pre-assembled, by the way. This is my first gingerbread house, I think. So this should be interesting.
Update, I just lost the icing cap. I don't know where I put it. Okay. Got scissors. Got the icing cap. We're good to go. Okay. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. But we're just gonna try it out, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. See this. You put the tip in. You got that. Until you do that. Until you fail. That way. Okay. This is apparently my new life. You know I hate piping bags. Just fun fact. Hate them so much. Like, it's like a deathly passion of hatred towards them. Okay. I don't want to. Okay. And then it says to, like, stick the icing. Oh my gosh, this looks so disgusting. Can we just talk about how disgusting this looks? Yuck. This is Wilton, so this is good icing, just so you know. Okay. I should probably read the instructions because I'm doing this wrong, but you know what, Jolie, who needs instructions in life? Jolie does, but we're all good. Okay. And then I'm gonna, like, pipe it down, pipe it down. Oh my god, yay! Okay. So we're gonna try to copy this magical piece of art that is on here. I don't know if I can show it to you, but it's this one right here. We're gonna try to copy that. And knowing my skills, it will not be successful, but we're gonna try. So let's try here. And then you just, like, ribbon it. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Oh, I can do this. Okay. Let's try this. Oh my god. Woo! This is easy. It's actually quite easy, kinda. Oh my god. This is gonna take an hour. Okay. I'll see you guys in a couple for an update. I have it like every 10 minutes I update you. Okay, 10-minute update. Not very far. We're getting there though. This is why Joey doesn't decorate cakes. I'll bake them. I'm not decorating them. So I don't know what technique I have. And it's like a technique that I'm very unsure of, but it's a technique that it's Joey's technique. And I don't know what it is, but we're just gonna go with it, okay? Okay. Like, oh my gosh. This is just one side, you guys. Oh my god, what's wrong with me? No. This is why I'm okay with hiring someone to decorate this. In our culinary department, they decorated this. Can I have someone do this for me? Oh, you're putting all over me. Okay, focus. You can do this. It's like filling cupcakes, which I hate doing, by the way, so. Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so when I show you this, don't judge my work, okay? Please. Like, I just want you to know that I know that it's bad, and I don't need my work judged. Okay? Thank you. Like, this is the easy one compared to, like, the swirl. Maybe we'll try that one. I don't know. Can you, I'm going in a straight line now. Okay. It's almost done. You guys want to see my progress so far? While I have ice all over my hands. See? Okay. It may not be beautiful, but it's me. Okay. So now, can I just do one side of the house? No? Is that not appropriate? Okay. And then, how about on this side, we just do, like a stripe. We're gonna. Oh, okay. Let's not have icicles. Okay. Like, I really hope my parents don't come right now because this is embarrassing. My parents are gonna be so proud. You do that probably with this. Since no one eats these, I really hope you don't eat these. If you eat these, like, they're old and nasty. But hey, you know what? You do you. I won't judge you completely. Okay. Okay, I'm losing my thing here. Let me show you. Okay. Let me show you this side. So I like this side better. It's really simple and beautiful. And then we're gonna, like, gonna be Jolie's creation. By the way, if you actually want to see like someone's good decoration, I recommend going to Hey Brittany. Her decorations are way better. So, if you want some good inspiration. They give me like a crappy house. Like, this sucks house. This house sucks. Okay. What's my life? Okay. Let's add some candy. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'll be right. No. Just me? Okay. Who the heck individually wraps all these? Who has time for that? Jolie and a knife should not be allowed. My parents are gonna be so proud. Okay, and I'm like, what? Okay. Yeah, stay. Or like when I was a kid, this was the hardest part because it never like would stay, and then I would be all like heartbroken, and my grandma would be like, "It's okay, Jolie, it's okay." And I'm like, "No, it's not, Grandma. No, it's not." I think I did a gingerbread house once in my life, and then this time, so you're welcome. I was very tempted to get the train, but I thought that was too advanced. Like I thought I like would fail, so I didn't do the train. You're welcome. It was a long train. Like this video would be 1,000 years long because it was a train and it was huge and it was like 3 trains. It was like a whole village. Apparently people like do villages, and I'm like, you do you, I do me. I'm okay. 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 Let's do a red one right here. Oh, okay, that's not gonna stick. This is me. What did you do on your lovely Friday night? Oh, you know, just gingerbread house. Actually, it's Friday afternoon. It's not even noon. You're welcome. Okay, stay. Can I have one? Ew. No, okay. Oh, no. And I have to get glue out. Here's May. Do I need to like put some like this? Good thing Jolie, I don't build houses. Jolie's not a builder either, apparently. Okay, oh. Like, props to construction workers. Like, props to our construction team at school. Like, all hail to you. Because I'm failing at life right now. Oh, and I just got the yellow one, but it looks really, really cool, so we're gonna keep it. Stay. Okay. And Mom and Dad are gonna be so proud. It's gonna be amazing. Stay. Okay. Very stringy. Wilton, if you're watching this, can you make it not so stringy? Just a thought. You know, for the challenged like me, who can't do this. Oh, I put orange now. Okay, I'll eat you. Yum, yum. Oh, beautiful. Progress so far. I like it. It looks like the house. Now we're going to get fancy and do a wreath. But this wreath is going to be Jolie's own type of wreath. And all we're going to do, keep bringing it to this. Wait, where do I put the candy canes? Additional candy cane here. Oh, I should do the top, shouldn't I? Okay, let's do the top right now. Which are more candy canes, if you're wondering. Now I see why my boss hires people to do these things because I don't know why you want to do this. Okay. And then I needed another yellow right here. Yay! Okay. I think it needs like a little something, so we're gonna like put it like reindeer. Yeah, no. You see it? Look how beautiful. Yes, don't mind that. It just needed something extra. So actually, let's add a green one on the back so it kind of doesn't look weird. And I realize that I've given up time on the sides, on the top, so we're not going to do that. Okay, sorry, gingerbread man who's over there. We'll have to find a home for. Okay, and then, did you guys see that? Oh no, okay. Let's fix you really quick. I'm having way too much, like, fun on this. Stay. Okay, so on here, we're going to do, like, a house, a window, okay? Simple houses, simple windows that look beautiful. I like to say, I know I'm not an artist. I am not attending art school to make gingerbread. I'm not attending art school, or I'm not in the culinary department, so I don't do gingerbread houses, and I'm not good at math, so I don't do shapes very well either. So just so you know, so when you see this side, don't judge it, okay? Everyone is different, okay? Oh, here's the top, okay? Ooh, look at them. Oh god. I could just like totally be horrible and like YouTube on it. I could totally do that. Okay. Maybe there's like an underground outside door and I just don't have to put one. There you go. Okay. Like, I think my dogs could do a better job. But they're not here, are they? Well, they are here, but... Okay, I didn't do a door. Gingerbread hat, man, you're just going to be really, really short. Okay? Because I don't have room for a door. So... Or I could here. We're going to make it like a cottage. Like what my grandma lives in. On that side of the country, on that side of the world. So... Okay, let's do a cottage. And then, like, let's put a door. Beautiful. Oh, God, I messed it up. Okay. Yay! Okay, let's get a doorknob. These are always, like, a weird candy, too. Have you ever had them? They, like, break your teeth. Don't eat them. Oh, my God. let's get Gingerbread Man. And I swear to God, if he's broken, I'm going to cry. And then I think we're done. I'm going to do like a little wreath on the other side, and then I think we're done. By the way, this kit is like $8 at Walmart, so if you're wondering. See, and they have like different ones, they have better ones. They have a whole train. They have everything. Are you a cookie? I don't know if it's a cookie or not. Like, too good. It's like perfect to be a cookie, you know? Okay. Let's put you here. Oh no. Oh god. You should be proud, Mom. Okay. I'm gonna go throw this away before they come home so they don't see my masterpiece. And then let's put it all. Let's do a path. Oh my gosh, perfect. Could you imagine if I had a friend here doing this with me? Oh my gosh. Chelsea, she's in Chicago right now. She cannot attend this lovely masterpiece. Last year, I held a gingerbread making thing with my friends, but I didn't make one. I was just in charge of like baking the pieces because I'm really good at baking. I'm just not very good at decorating. So oh god, dogs, please don't. Oh, okay, oh god. I'm like throwing them on here. This may not be the safest or best thing in the world. Okay, perfect. The more you build on this path, the better. Okay, this is a very rickety path, so look, perfect. Poland. I don't know. Should we do icicles? Let's try icicles really quick. So here's my front door. Isn't it gorgeous? I know. It's beautiful. I worked really hard. And then, like, let's get icicles. Oh, okay. Maybe just tad too long. Okay. Let's try this again. Start here and then let go. Yes! Okay, one moment. Let me show you these magical icicles really quick. And then we're done. And then I'll end the video. Oh, beautiful. And they just keep streaming down. Look how cute! Okay, let's do this side. This side is a problem side because it's not cute. So, let's make icicles. And I really promise, if you're watching this and you think I'm a freak, I promise I'm not. I just really have no creativity. And I have icing all over the floor. I pray that my parents don't come home right now because I have icing all over the floor. Alright, and then like let's do this. Perfect. Oh no, that's the gingerbread man. Woo! Yes, it's fine. Beautiful pictures. Okay, I'll be right back. Or not. Okay. Oh my god, I'm really sorry. The cord was in your face the whole time. Okay, here it is. It's beautiful. So you have the front of the house. Then you have this side, which is going to be like perfect. And then you have the back, which I didn't write anything. And then you have this side, which isn't good. But I think, like, the front of it looks really cute. Like, I like the candy can, or, you know. Oh, the front path! You guys can see that? Look how cute that is! It's perfect. So, that was my candy can creation.
Let's spin it. Spin. Oh, okay. Okay. And you have the little front path. It's super cute. Okay, guys, so I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed that fun little creation that I made. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on Monday for a brand new video. Have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.